Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Gaming Basics. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to turn off sounds on ToonBlast. If you want to turn off the sound setting from your ToonBlast application, then here is how you can do it. First thing to do is to launch open ToonBlast application and make sure that you're inside your main home page. From the main home page, go ahead and tap on the gear button at the top right hand corner. Once you open up this setting, go ahead and tap on the sound and the music icon located right at the top of the screen. Soon after it's done, it should look like this. In order to turn off sound effects on your ToonBlast application, you can now get back and start playing the game without music and sound. So that is how you can easily do it. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next episode. Goodbye till then.